Secretary Enrile's words against the OFWs is highly unjustified. It's actually ludicrous. It's very, very vindictive, no? It is actually downright irresponsible. Secretary Enrile, wag niyo po kaming ituring ng mga OFW bilang mga dating biktima nyo ng martial law. Hindi po iira lang ganyang klaseng mga pananalita laban sa amin. For a man of your stature and age, you should realize that it would be very absurd for the government to weaponize Congress just to make political retaliations to us OFWs na wala naman kaming gagawin na masama o laban sa batas. The expression of the Zero Remittance Week is basically legal. It's non-exploitative and it's not even provocative. Please don't forget that our proposed suspension of remittances is definitely peaceful and it's non-violent. It's not even violating any law or any constitution. Hindi nga ito laban sa gobyerno. Let me reiterate, it's just an expression of our political beliefs as OFWs. Ngayon, kung apektadong gobyerno, bakit naman gagamitin yung Kongreso para lumaban sa amin or para gantihan kami? As I said, weaponizing Congress is not legal. Hindi po yan tama. Alam niyo itong gagawing protesta na ating mga OFW this weekend, wala mo pong pinagkaiba yan sa isang jeepney strike or nationwide strike. Medyo mahaba-haba nga lang ng konti. Wala naman po kaming ipinagkakait o tatanggalin sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Sinususpindi lang naman po yan ng ilang araw just to prove a point or just to express our feelings. Jesus Mariosep naman, Secretary Enrile, ano kami bali? Hindi namin gugutumin o pahihirapan ang mga pamilya namin. What you are suggesting is very, very dangerous because you're the presidential legal advisor and God knows what you're advising to the president. Hindi po tama ang inyong suhestyon. Okay? Hindi po yan tama because it is not correct or not even right for the government to use its resources to persecute and retaliate against its political nemesis or its political oppositions.
Servisyo sa bagong bayani, hindi pwedeng puro kwento at sabi-sabi. Dapat diretso at totoo, dapat kumpleto. Katulad ng ako, OFW, kumpletong pangkabuhay ang program. Alam namin yung inyong inaasam. No collateral livelihood loan nating umpisahan para tuloy ang buhay pag-uwi ng bayan. Tamang pagboto ay ganito kumpleto. Ako OFW, servisyo'y kumpleto. Laging maaasahan, hindi lang kwento. Ako OFW, ganito kumpleto. Sa pagboto ay dapat kumpleto. Ako OFW, kahit i-spell mo, ganito pagboto, dapat kumpleto. Ako OFW, bayani ka.